Being ground, this is Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha at Skill Ramp, requesting clearance to taxi for east departure with cutback.
Twin Star 82 Sierra, can you run runway 145, your choice?
We'll do runway 5, 82 Sierra Alpha.
Twin Star Sierra 5, taxi via Charlie Alpha cross.
Roger, runway 5 via Charlie Alpha crossing runway 32, 82 Sierra Alpha.
Clear to the left. We are clear to the right.
These windsucks almost favored 2-3/5, but it really doesn't matter.
It's alright. Alright, we're crossing a runway here. Both sides are clear. Clear to the right and clear to the left. Alright, front wheel straight. Alright. Okay. Abort takeoff checklist. Things are holding, doors are latched, guys. All good? Alright. Let me just make sure that we're all good over here. Alright. The controls free and correct. They are. Fuel quantity confirmed. We're still good here. Our levers are idle. You know, let me just put a little... while I'm doing this. Now we gotta get our gearbox temperature above 35, right?
Above 34.
Above 34. Yeah, at 35.
And if you forget, just in the green.
The green, yeah. Wobble, wobble. Oh, wobble second time. Alright. Almost there on the right side, there we go. Annunciator. RPM's up. Wobble, wobble. One cycle done. RPM's up. Wobble. Done. Alright, let's check our CU selectors. Alright, left side. A. Auto. B. It's an A. Back to auto. Right side. A. Auto. B. It's on B. Okay, no annunciator lights except PTOT. Okay, idle protection. We're good. Radios nav program. We're good to go. Departure briefing. Okay, let's just scoot up towards the runway here. Hi gentlemen, so we're taking off here on runway 5 at 6,000 feet, a little bit of a crosswind from the right side today. well, we're gonna need a data takeoff. VR is 80. We're gonna below VR if we lose an engine, then we're gonna stop on the runway gently as much as possible. Use as little runway as possible with brakes. Above VR, gears up. We continue. We're committed. We're gonna feather right away. Identify the engine and feather. With gear down, we're going to settle back on the runway, tracking the center line, and settle nice and safely with lots of brakes and full flaps back on the runway. Then we're going to climb at 80 knots, 85 knots, go up to 90 at pattern altitude. Okay, any questions, guys? We're good to go? All right.
Is your MFD the way you want it?
Thank you. I'll go a little closer.
Waukegan Tower, this is Diamond Star 822 Sierra Alpha, ready to go, holding short runway 5.
Diamond Star 822 Sierra Alpha, Waukegan Tower, runway 5, clear for takeoff, proceed eastbound.
Clear for takeoff, runway 5, 822 Sierra Alpha.
Okay, we're good here, closed, no non-seaters, fuel pumps are on, let's go. Final looks clear, and departure path is clear too. Ready to go, guys? Sure.
Field takeoff, please.
Short field takeoff, you got it. Okay, all in the green, we're good to go. Abort, abort, abort. Airspeed is alive. First check instruments, 60. 80, rotate. Tap on the brakes, gears up. Pumps off, 92. Hey Dan, can you do me a favor? Yep. Will you please put my noise cancellation on my audio piece over there? That good? Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. So much better.
Ignore me.
Alright, let's climb out to 4,500, 4,700. What a beautiful day to fly, man.
I love it.
2,000 for 4,700.
We're just doing a VOR check.
I didn't do it yesterday.
You want the book so you can sign it? In a moment. Apparently O'Hare is too far away, huh?
To go for 4,700.
I'll take the book, please. Looks like nav 1's toasted.
Really? Good to know.
Can I steal a pen from somebody? Oh, thank you.
My climb checklist complete. to go for 4,700. I'm picking odd kind of altitude, just not to be in VFR, not to be in IFR, guys. In between, you know.
Alright, we finally picked up ORD.
This guy creeped up to 93% on me.
That's me kicking it with my knee.
It was. Passenger, stay clear of the controls, please. We spoke about that already.
Yeah.
1,000 to go.
I lost it again. What a piece of junk. That's weird. Let's try 13-0. You can do your steep turns with that whenever you want. Don't worry about me.
I'm just gonna climb up to 4,700 while I'm actually doing a clearing turn. One to the right and one to the left.
Was this yours, Nico?
Mine.
Thank you. Alright, we're IFR legal.
Alright.
Or we were legal, we were just going to expire in a couple days. Wow, what a view.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah. Is that the other side that I'm looking at?
I don't think so. Maybe possible from up here. Step on the ball, pitch for blue line. Alright, flaps up, gear up, power up. Alright, let's identify. Let's go. Fuel pumps, fuel selectors. Identify, verify, feather.
Or fix.
Or fix.
Which one are you going to choose?
Choosing the left one, left engine.
Fix or feather, which one are you going to choose?
I'm gonna fix it, we're in cruise.
Good.
Alright, let's go for, okay, aux pumps, fuel selectors. Alright, let's see. All these guys are good. Fuel pumps, if they're not in cross speed here, we're good. We're going over here, so use, nothing works, okay? We gotta feather it.
Okay. Alternate air.
Alternate air, we forgot.
That would have fixed it. Okay.
Okay.
And then you look here for your messages. Alright, so go ahead and feather it for real.
Alright, feather for real. Okay. Head foot dead engine. Verify. Okay, this is it. Left one.
Left, left, left. Alright.
Alright, feathering.
Okay, now what would you do?
Now what do I do? I have to restart it, right?
Don't worry about that. In the emergency, what would you do right now?
I gotta turn towards land. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
And where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go back to Waukegan or Kenosha.
Alright, north heading, restart it.
North heading, restart it. Let's start heading down. That's not north.
Just restart it. Once the speed is good.
Restart.
If you need all the power, you can do it all at once, or you can just gently, ease it back in. I'll usually go to 20, then I'll wait a little bit, go to 40.
That's my morning workout.
Yeah.
Alright, alternate air. Damn it.
Good job.
I practiced 1,000 times and still miss it.
Keep practicing the flows, and don't forget to check your messages.
Yeah.
It might be telling you something.
See you. Alright, let's
While you're playing with fuel, you're looking at the fuel. That's the other thing you're doing.
Right.
Good job overall. Alright, so now what?
What would you like to do?
Steep turns.
Steep turns, got it. Alright, let's go up to 4,700. We'll stay with this airspeed is pretty good. And would you like clearing turn, sir?
No, thank you.
You're okay? Alright. 200 to go. Alright, 4700 on north heading, and we'll do one to the right. We are clear to the right. My trim is off. That's where it's supposed to be.
At 111 knots is difficult. You got a little slow on that one. That would have
I didn't put enough power.
That would have passed.
Alright, let's do one to the left. They're clear on the left. I will start 360 heading, 4700, and let's do it.
Rudder. Ship ball's been off the whole time.
I know.
That's why it was so difficult. That would have
Something's going on here. I don't know.
Right, but at the end of the day.
Yeah, I gotta fix it over there, right?
Both of those would have passed.
Alright.
Alright. So
you have to try more, or
let's do slow flight to the east.
I'll fly to the east. Another clearing turn.
Southeast. We'll go 150. No clearing turn. Thank you for offering.
Alright. We'll turn to the right.
I'd like to be in slow flight when we hit 150.
Got it.
That's what I'm getting at. There you go.
Let's not climb too much. Alright, 3 lights down. Verify.
Chicago, reflection 531 is with you at 8.3 to cross fire. At 3,000 we have.
So listen what I learned yesterday.
Hotel.
Man.
Reflection 531, Chicago approach, kilos current now. Plan the ILS 16.
You're fine.
ILS 16, we'll plan them, thanks, and we'll get that.
I can turn to the south, please.
Turn to the south.
correction should happen when you're 20 feet off. Don't wait till 80.
I was thinking about it.
Slip ball, please. Okay, to save time, walk the throttle to idle and stall from here.
Alright.
Approach to landing stall.
Working to idle, landing stall, we'll configure right.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Rudder, rudder, rudder.
Gears up. Flaps up.
Okay, pull up into a departure stall. Pull, 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 pull. Get rid of the speed. Hold this. Just get rid of the speed. Go to 70. Let's do a departure stall right here. And this time, no aileron in the recovery, please. Alright, my flight controls?
My flight controls.
You can go a little deeper into the stall. Okay? Get a nice solid buffet. You're gonna get a little bit of a wing drop, see that? And then you recover. Alright?
Okay, can we do it again?
If you want, just a little more.
Yeah, let's do it again.
A little more than what you both have been doing. Alright? And keep an eye on the clouds so you're not turning or yawn. A little more, you'll get a little wing drop. Keep pulling. No aileron, please. There's the wing drop. There you go. Okay, so just a little more than what you guys have been doing.
Okay.
Alright, I'd like 180 heading, Vmc Demo, please.
What heading, please?
200 heading.
200 on the heading.
And then Vmc Demo.
Let's start. Are you okay with 5500?
Yes,
I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
I shouldn't even be asking. I should be taking that decision
You're
myself.
pilot in command, yes sir.
Let's go 5400. Okay, 230 heading.
200.
200 heading.
What's
going on here? Where are we?
Fighting 260. 260, 531.
MC. Alright, so, thank you. Let's fail the left engine. Okay. Let's get situated here.
My advice, don't go below blue line unless you've got your ducks in a row. Is your seat out? If your butt off the seat?
It is. Oh, it is.
In approach for FlexJet 531, if I didn't say it, we do have kilo. FlexJet 531, thank you.
Alright. Okay, losing heading. Recover.
What if you had heard the horn, what would you have done? Stall horn. The beep. What would you have done?
Just recover right away.
Good man. All right, close your eyes, look down.
Get down. Thinking wonderful thoughts.
Yeah. Recover, recover, recover.
Back to my heading. And let's stay at 4700.
All right,
48 is good.
We are over land. Say it back to me. We are over land right
We
now.
are over land.
Your left engine's on fire.
Left engine's on fire. Idle it, idle it, idle it. Left engine, identify, verify, feather it. It's
Okay.
feathered. Okay, and we're going down. Over land, bring the gear down. Alright, 3 down.
Recover at 4,000 feet.
I will recover at 4,000 feet. Even.
Gentle pull, gentle pull, gentle pull. Then you'd be spiraling, because that helps you lose altitude. You did a great job.
Okay.
Alright, we're back to normal. Well done. And then we'd go land somewhere.
Right.
Alright, nice one. Alright, go ahead and put on your foggles, my flight controls.
Goggles your flight controls.
And set us up for an ILS.
ILS 23.
Yeah, your flight controls.
Flight controls. Alright, let's see. Let's descend down.
Take a 010 heading.
010. You get too slow here. Alright, let's go down to 2800. Sorry about that. Okay.
The left turn 320.
320, left turn. 320 south. Alright, so let's proceed to select approach, ILS 23. Vectors.
Tower Twin Star 822 Alpha.
Twin Star 822 Alpha, Waukegan Tower.
Yes, sir. We're 11 miles northeast, self-vectoring for practice ILS 23. Depending on the winds, we'll circle as needed, and want to let you know.
Twin Star 822 Roger.
Alright, 110.7 is the, let's see here, hold on. Minimums 923. Activate.
Straight to 20 Alpha, turn left 300 to intercept.
300 intercept, 20 Alpha. Go down 2500.
Just right to 20 Alpha, best forward speed. I've got a Gulf Stream 5 miles behind you.
Best forward speed, 20 Alpha. Okay, now it's off, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. It's flashing, alerting me. Okay, 110.7, we got it in, let's identify it. Yeah, great.
You don't have to identify it as long as you see the letters, IUGN.
Right, well. Whoa. Way too low here.
That's right to 20 Alpha, altitude alert. I see you established. You understand the minimum altitude in this region?
Roger, I do. Thank you. 20 Alpha.
Okay. Gulfstream 123 Alpha Lima, I need you to slow down as best as possible. You're following a slow twin star ahead of you, about 4 miles. Advise when you've got open sight. Oh, yeah. Oh, the twin star.
Apologize, approach, fast as possible right now.
Just right to 20 Alpha, no problem. You're currently 4 miles from Waukee. You're cleared. Practice ILS 2-3. No separation services will be provided. Contact tower at Waukee.
Going over town. Boom. Waukegan. So you spoke to them already, right?
The important thing you need to say is clear for the practice.
Yeah, clear for the ILS.
Tower at Waukee.
Yeah.
And now you switch.
Okay. Switch over.
All right. Great.
All right.
Tower, this Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha, just outside of Waukee on the ILS.
Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha, Waukee Tower, report Waukee inbound.
Report Waukee inbound, 82 Sierra Alpha.
Throttles. My throttles, Nico.
What's that?
My throttles for a moment.
The throttles. Okay. Left engine, identify, verify, clear, pitch for blue line, step on the ball. Okay. We gotta feather it. Identify, verify, feather, left. And we gotta
The flight director is sending you the wrong direction. That's why you're off. Thank you. You're at full deflection. You're gonna start coming downhill?
no, when I'm outside of Waukee, not yet, but I gotta go missed, going missed. Still flying the airplane.
Tower, Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha, we'd like to take it back out to the lake and come back in if that works for you.
Twin Star 82 Sierra Alpha, proceed as requested.
Alright, Translation 2 Sierra Alpha on your miss, climb maintain 2,400, fly heading 090.
2,400, heading 090 to Sierra Alpha.
Great decision to go missed. You start coming downhill with full deflection.
Yeah, not good.
That's a great way to die, you know, or a great way to fail your check ride. So great decision making. That flight director was telling you to turn and you were following it. It was in heading mode.
I was not following it, man. I was just not, didn't know what the hell I was doing.
You weren't consciously following it?
Maybe.
But you might have subconsciously followed it. I don't know. We'll never know. This stuff's hard. Single engine, IFR, this stuff is hard, okay?
Right.
And you gotta keep an eye on that localizer. Alright, come back to 2 engines just to speed it up a little bit. 2 engines on a 90 heading. Is going missed, is that a bad thing on the check ride?
Not at all.
Not at all. It's actually great aeronautical decision making. If you go to miss 3, 4, 5 times, there's obviously a problem in your hand flying.
Right.
Are you allowed to go miss single engine?
We're only here about 800.
Excellent. Alright, go ahead and slow me down to about, let's go to 110 knots, please. Because we're going to do a tight left turn. Alright, you ready? Steep. Only do this because I'm here. I'd like a steep turn to 270 heading, please. I'll do it. Go ahead and turn. Steep turn 270. Don't go below 120. Hold your altitude. And hold your speed. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and roll wings level right here. Straight to 20 Alpha on a 290 heading. Your intercept localizer, maintain 2400 until established.
We'll maintain 2400, clear for the ILS 23. Sierra Alpha.
Clear to intercept, but you're not clear for the approach yet.
ATC Sierra Alpha, it's clear to intercept the ILS, the localizer. Waukegan, 2-3.
That checks.
I'll let you do your thing there, whatever you want to do.
Thank you.
So we're 6.5 miles outside of Waukegan. Actually,
Straight to 2 Sierra Alpha. On that heading, you're cleared ILS 23 Waukegan.
turn to the ILS 23 Waukegan. I'm heading to Sierra Alpha.
Easy on the bank, dude. You're IFR. Steep turns, IFR is not good. Just standard rate. The only reason you did that steep turn was because you were with me. That was for training. Standard rate. The snake goes to that big stick there.
Got it. Alright. Flaps up, gears up, powers up. Identify. Verify. Alright, that's Feather, we're on final here. Feather, right engine. We can, the Skill Approach, we've lost the right engine with like a 2 priority. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
You're cleared number 1. You want us to roll the trucks?
Please, either to Sierra Alpha.
Cleared runway 23, we're rolling the trucks.
Start to Sierra Alpha outside Waukegan.
Sorry, 22 Sierra from runway 23, clear to land, winds 150 at 8.
Sorry.
Clear to land 23, Sierra Alpha.
Damn, I'm full deflection up.
Yeah, you forgot to descend. This is why I did this on purpose. I want you to make that mistake with me. Okay?
Alright.
Just keep coming down.
I'm higher so I can come down, I mean...
I failed your engine right at glide slope intercept.
Okay.
So you were so busy you missed the glide slope. And that's fine.
Alright, so let's slow down a little bit
Sorry,
here.
22 Sierra from runway 23, clear to land, winds 150 at 8.
Right, that's a replay.
Alright, you want me to talk to him?
I want you to fly the plane right now. You're not doing it. A little diamond, put it between the arrow and that line. That's your ground track. Just fly the diamond, brother. You need to speed up your scan. It's all over the place. Come on, get to work.
Alright. 1.5 miles. Right on the glide slope, a little lower. A little lower. Localizer.
Small corrections, brother. Small corrections. Going off course because the diamond is way off to the right. Come on, brother.
I have a crosswind, heavy crosswind from the left.
What are you descending to?
920.
Look up, my foggles.
Foggles.
Alright.
Alright, landed. Dance on the pedals. Hips are down, confirmed.
Toes on the floor, toes outboard. Crab like crazy.
Alpha, I'd like to stay in the pattern for some options.
Twist 220 Alpha, roger. Turn left Alpha 4. And runway 5, taxi the Alpha.
Left Alpha 4, runway 5 Alpha, 20 Alpha.
There you go. With retractable gear, do what Nico just did. Make sure you're going in a straight line when braking. We don't want to do like a race car turn, because you can actually collapse the gear. Well done, Nico.
To the left, there's a bulldozer there. Now we're clear of the runway. Alright, let's clean up.
You never turned on the pumps.
Turn them off.
I didn't touch them, you never turned them on.
Man, sucks.
And the flow,
I would have turned them on if I had done my flow, but I didn't.
right, and the flow starts here for your after
Right.
landing. Alright, let's go follow the instructions. Alright, Nico, my flight controls.
Flight controls.
Relax, stretch out a little bit. Alright? You don't have to close your eyes. I'm not gonna mess with you yet. But look, you're a good pilot, and this is a lot of new stuff. So part of learning new stuff is sometimes you're gonna make mistakes. That's okay. Making them with me, that's okay too. Main thing that you saw today, Dan's gonna see this next, is the engine's gonna quit. Boom, that glide slope intercept. Okay? Now, why do I do that? Besides that I'm an asshole, what's the other reason why I would fail it at the worst possible moment?
Because that's when things happen at the worst possible moment.
I can't, yeah, we want to see that you can handle this stuff, alright? So, I think your flow is a lot better from yesterday, well done. I think your flow could still be smoother. We got to get the feather promptly. I don't want you to rush it, but I think it could be smoother. There's a pause. It's the pause that gets my attention. I don't want you to rush, but that pause where you're thinking, what do I do next? That's lack of practice of, you need more chair flying, okay? Doesn't make you a bad guy, you can fix it.
Right.
And then, when you're single engine, yeah dude, your scan's got to be way faster. Things are happening faster, and you're busy, and I need a faster scan. You went max deflection localizer, and on the next one, you forgot the glide slope. That's okay, everybody does during this training. That's part of the process. Now go home, think about it, think about how you can keep an eye on those needles. Glide slope and localizer, even though you're single engine.
Okay.
Alright, your flight controls, and
Flight controls.
let's play in the pattern a little bit.
Alright. Okay, we're ready to go here.
My advice, when you get to this point of the game, get this crap out of here. Like take this is great, but not for what we're about to do. So I would like put this to the side or back or something.
I could take it if you want.
Sorry, I got it right here.
Unless you're comfortable with it.
I'm okay. It doesn't bother me.
Alright, good man.
Alright, so we're ready to go here.
Did you check 3 green on short final? I think you did. I'm pretty sure you did.
I didn't, if you want to know the truth.
Fair enough.
Coffee,
So,
alright guys. Alright. Okay, we did our flow here, fuel pump on, lights on, no annunciators, lock doors.
Waukegan Tower, 82 Sierra Alpha is ready to go, holding short runway 5.
Twist 2 Sierra Alpha, Waukegan Tower, runway 5, left traffic, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5, left traffic, clear for takeoff, 82 Sierra Alpha.
Right final is clear. Departure path is clear.
Tower 2 Sierra Alpha, is there any chance to do right traffic this one time?
Twist 2 Sierra Alpha, right traffic.
Thank you, sir. Right traffic, 2 Sierra Alpha.
Alright guys, so briefing was just like before, okay?
Alright.
Airspeed is alive. Fly the wing. First check instruments in the green. There's a little bird. 70, 80, rotate. Positive rate.
Right rudder, dude. Your slip ball was way off. This is a right rudder airplane.
Pumps off.
Throttles.
On the ball. Pitch for blue line. Power up. Flaps up, gear up, power up. We're power full. We're getting a little low. Oops. Feather, feather.
Identify.
Identify, verify, feather, left.
You're a glider now. I failed your right engine, and you just feathered the left one. Unfeather.
Okay, unfeather.
Alright, you got two engines now.
Alright, feather the other one.
Let go of the rudder, my flight controls.
Okay, your flight controls.
Alright, you got two engines now. Let's climb and enter right traffic.
Right traffic.
Yeah, with two engines. You pointed to the right knee, you said right, and then you pointed to the left one. Okay? You'll see it in the video. Everybody does that at one point. The important thing is to do it when I'm in the cockpit.
Star 82 Alpha, runway 5, clear to land.
Runway 5 clear to land, 82 Alpha.
This thing's a great glider, but it's got a huge wingspan. I don't want to have to put this into a field someday.
Right.
Yeah, knock on wood. So there's a pause in your flow. That's the problem we need to fix. You have a great flow, you know what to do, but you have a pause. You're doing the power blue line, step on the ball, you're doing the flaps up, gear up, power up, and then there's this pause. And then you jumped, and then you said feather. Wait. And then I said no, identify. And then you started going identify, verify, right one, and then you jumped to the wrong one. So your speed is pretty good except for that pause. And then when you realize you've paused, then you went a little too fast and got the wrong one.
Gear down. Alright, step on the ball. Pitch for blue line. Alright, gears down. Laps up. Well, we're okay. Let's feather it. We gotta land. Identify. Right. Verify. Feather. Right one. Alright, I missed the power up this time. A little too low. We're okay, we're holding altitude. Final is clear. The side is clear, the other base is clear. A pretty strong wind from the right. Not too strong, but strong enough. Alright, 3 green lights down. Approach flaps.
Verify we're clear for the option for 2 Alpha.
Star 82 Alpha, runway 5, clear for the option.
Option 5, 2 Alpha, thank you, sir.
Your gear down?
Gear's down, I checked it already.
Good man. job. Your flaps are up, your fuel pumps are now on. Let's go, roll. Go, 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 all of it. No brakes, gentle
No
rudder.
brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Fly the wing, fly the wing.
Up.
Is not available.
Here. Rudder. If you're banking like that on climb on
Right.
takeoff,
No good.
it's because you needed the rudder.
Twist 220 Alpha, make left traffic.
Left traffic, I did to 0.
We're gonna do a 2-engine short field landing. Got it?
Engine short field landing,
And then
got
we'll
it.
go get some gas.
Alright. Pumps off.
Turn on your pitot heat for a moment, I want to show you something.
On the ball. Pitch for blue line, we're there. Clear up, clear, clear. Feather. Identify, verify. Feather left. That was good.
I'm an I know. Nice job. You redeemed yourself. A little bit of confusion because I surprised you, right?
Right, you did.
You got to step on the ball, or you can see the nose moving. I felt you not sure what to do.
Yeah, well, my
did the
nose
right
was
thing.
all over the place, so I had to look at the ball and get the right situation
You
going.
did the right thing. Well done.
Let's get out of here.
You did a great. That's the best flow you've done so far. Okay, bring them back together at 50%. We're gonna do a 2-engine landing, short field.
Twist 220 Alpha, runway 5, clear for the option.
Runway 5 clear for the action, 20 Alpha.
Your target is the, let's call it the 500-foot marker. You know which one that is? It's
Yeah, the first 2 lines.
yeah, between the piano keys
Right.
and the 1,000-foot marker,
Right,
which
right.
are solid. So they're dashed.
Got it.
500-foot marker, and how much can you land before it?
Nope.
How far beyond it can you land?
200.
Alright.
Alright, gear down. On to 3 green.
My advice, with the gear, do the pumps. Trust me, there's a reason I push that.
So right about that.
That way you don't forget it.
Alright.
It's not my first rodeo.
Alright, funnel looks clear, the other base looks clear. Should I put my flaps before over there? Okay.
That video recording, Dan?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Alright, when you guys watch this video later, note his speed and his configuration.
It was not right in the beginning.
Well, just get your ducks in a row early. You're not doing anything wrong. The winds aren't that big of a deal today, so I'd be on my speed dead nuts right now.
Is not available.
It's a little too far.
Yeah, a little too far. You gotta get rid of that flat, the power a little earlier. Did you check gear on final on that one?
I didn't.
Okay.
Second round of coffee. Okay.
But I need you guys focusing on that, because I don't want you ever landing gear up. I don't want to see you guys on YouTube in a bad way.
Got it.
Tower 20 Alpha is going to landmark.
Twist 220 Alpha, roger, turn the right once speed permits, taxi to landmark. Via Alpha, Charlie, monitor ground point 65, or you could do a 180 on the runway, your discretion.
We'll get off at Alpha 5 and go to Alpha Charlie to landmark 20 Alpha.
Flaps up, fuel pumps off. Landing light off.